Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your TNG eWallet. Right now you cannot send money directly from PayPal to TNG eWallet. You first need to move the money to your bank account. After that, you can add the money from your bank into your TNG wallet. First, log into your PayPal account. On the main screen, you will see your PayPal balance. Below the balance, click on Transfer to your bank. Next, choose the local Malaysian bank account that you have already linked to your PayPal account. If you have more than one bank linked, make sure you select the correct one. Now enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Double check the amount to make sure it is correct. Then click Continue. You will see a summary of your transfer. Review all the details carefully, including the bank account and the amount. If everything looks correct, click on Transfer to confirm. Wait until the money arrives in your bank account. This may take some time depending on your bank. Once the money is in your bank, open the TNG eWallet app. Use the Do It Now feature to reload or add money from your bank account into your TNG eWallet balance. Follow the steps inside the app to complete the process. Thanks for watching.